Ferrari, Lamborghini, BMW, Mercedes, Bentley और Rolls Royce एक साथ एक जगह एक वक्त देखा है नहीं? Then join us in today's room, जिसमें हम जाएंगे सुपर कार शो में। फिर हम मुड़ेंगे हाई एंड ऑटोमोबाइल बॉडी पेंटिंग एंड सॉफ्टवेयर ट्यूनिंग ऑफ योर कार। एंड आफ्टर दैट मुंबई की अकेली शॉप जहां आपको मिलेंगे रेसिंग गेयर से लेकर सारे रेसिंग इक्विपमेंट्स। For now, accelerate towards the supercar show. काला घोड़ा में हुआ मुंबई की सबसे पहली सुपर कार परेड, which was organized by Gautam Sibhadia.
Well, we are trying to form the supercar club, where we will try and meet once a month.
यहाँ मौजूद थे our only F1 racer नारायण कार्तिकेय, and from Autocar हॉर्मा सौरभ जी, and और भी कई famous personalities. But event के starts थी 40 से ज्यादा सुपर कार्स।
Hi, I'm Rohan. I own this beauty, Ferrari F430, and the basic features of this car, it's a 490 bhp car, top speed of 300 kilometers. That's a practical speed, and I just drove it from the expressway, and it's very practical. It got into Bombay fine. The clearance is good, so it's a big advantage in a place like India. And it's got an 8-cylinder engine, 4.3 liter engine, and it's got those cooling valves. It's got air duct. The faster the car goes, the more air it takes in. It's got the carbon fiber inside and the carbon fiber back over here, which reduces the car weight and aerodynamically helps the car overall. I got chrome silencers on it, which give a special sound on it. And inside I've got the Americano seats, which are really comfortable. It's important to have comfortable seats in a sports car. It helps you go for a longer journey. It was a great experience because the first time I drove all the way from Pune to Bombay. I was scared about the fuel efficiency because I had full tanked the car, and it did well on the mileage. It's only half done, so hopefully I should be able to get back in the same tank. If not, I'm going to have a problem. The speed is basically the unique thing over here, and the acceleration 0 to 100 in less than 4 seconds. That's a supercar.
Tempting Ferrari के बाद we turn to see the king of all cars, Rolls Royce.
Xerxes, and this is my Phantom, Rolls Royce Phantom. It's a 2008 model V12, and it's just come down from the UK in December, and it's custom built for me. It's got a long wheelbase, very different from any other Phantom. And as you can see, I put the Spirit of Ecstasy down because a lot of people are touching it, so I don't like it. I've kept it down. Oh, it was done in Goodwood in Rolls-Royce UK. If you just take a look inside, you can see, the plushness and the comfort of the drive is just something you can't explain. Speedometer says it goes up to about, I think, 300. I haven't done more than 160 in this car.
Rolls-Royce is the king, but don't forget, Audi is not ordinary.
I'm Benoit Chiers, I'm the Managing Director of Audi India. So this car is the Audi R8 that we launched in India officially in November 2008. But this is the first time we have a car on the roads, because only the first cars have been delivered. So today is a great event for Audi because we can have the car for the first time in Bombay running around the city. This car is a super sport car. It has a V8 engine of 420 horsepower, 4-wheel drive, what we call Quattro, and it's the whole body is made on aluminium, so it's a very light car. Makes the performance very, very, very high. I must say I've driven this morning around Bombay, and it behaves extremely well on the roads here in Bombay. We already have 15 customers in India who have ordered the car. 8 of them have been delivered. 3 cars in Bombay already, most of the cars in Delhi and other cities. I think the most important is the car is made of aluminium, so it makes a very light car, which is very good for performance, but it's also very good for fuel consumption. And I think today, in the world we're living in, it's important to have fun with the cars, but also to have reasonable fuel consumption. And this is what the car can achieve. The speed meter goes through 350, but I never drove it so fast, so I can't tell you how fast it goes.
I'm Pushpanjali Sharma. I'm the brand director for Lamborghini India as well as for Bentley India. Sure, it is the Gallardo. Basically, it's one of the first times that we took a spider on the track over here on the roads in Bombay, because one of the preconceived notions in India is that people don't want spiders because of the weather. It's hot or it's raining. But this is the first time that we are bringing this here to show people that even if it is very hot, even if there is weather like this, you can have a spider in India. The spider is one of the new launches of, not this particular one, but it is a new launch for Lamborghini worldwide as well. So this is just to kind of promote the worldwide launch, to show how beautiful a spider looks. It enhances a Lamborghini, which is already a gorgeous car. So Lamborghinis in general are very unique cars, because what we can do with a Lamborghini is that we can get you a factory fit car, or you can actually custom tailor every part of the Lamborghini. When I say every part, I mean you can bring in something like a nail polish and say, I want my car to look this color. You can match your seats to that, you can match your dashboard to that, you can match your steering wheel to that. So we truly can give you a car that is very much you. It represents everything that you are. So one of the best cars you can own. Whenever you drive a car like this, it's very easy to get tempted into driving it fast, even when the roads don't allow. So please do be safe.
स्पोर्ट्स कार की लिस्ट लैम्बोर्गिनी के बिना इनकम्प्लीट है। बट वेट, असली मजा तो तब आएगा जब ये गाड़ियां मुंबई की सड़कों पर चलेंगी। सो मुंबईकर्स, होल्ड योर हैट्स। इस ग्रैंड परेड के साथ ये इवेंट जारी रहा।